Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you made a decision only to regret it later? Or perhaps you've been stuck in a dilemma, unable to choose between two options, feeling overwhelmed? We've all been there. Every single day we are faced with countless decisions to make, from the simplest choices like what to eat for breakfast to life-altering career moves. But what if I were to tell you that decision-making is actually a skill that you can master? It's true. Science has uncovered powerful strategies that can help you make better choices with clarity and confidence. Today we are going to delve deep into the science of decision-making, exploring proven techniques that successful people use to make smart choices. By the end of this video, you will have a blueprint that you can implement to improve your decision-making skills and ultimately transform your life. So let's get started. Habit number 1. Understanding how your brain makes decisions. Our brains have two main systems for processing decisions: the fast brain, System 1, and the slow brain, System 2. The fast brain is responsible for our gut instincts, allowing us to make quick and automatic choices. While this can be useful for snap decisions, it can also lead to biases. On the other hand, the slow brain is responsible for logical thinking and analyzing information carefully before making a choice. The key to better decision-making lies in knowing when to trust your gut and when to slow down and think critically. Research shows that successful decision-makers strike a balance between both systems, relying on intuition for smaller choices and utilizing analysis for more complex ones. Action tip: for routine choices, it's often best to trust your instincts, but for important decisions, it's important to take a step back. Analyze the pros and cons and avoid emotional reactions. Habit number 2. The power of the 10-10-10 rule. One of the most effective techniques for decision-making is the 10-10-10 rule, popularized by author Susie Welch. The rule is simple yet powerful. When you find yourself stuck between choices, ask yourself the following questions. How will this decision impact me in 10 minutes? How will it affect me in 10 months? How will it shape my life in 10 years? This method helps you look beyond immediate emotions and consider the long-term consequences of your actions. Let's imagine a practical example. You're currently debating whether to quit your job and start your own business. In 10 minutes, you might feel excited yet nervous about the unknown. In 10 months, you could have gained valuable experience and possibly built momentum in your new venture. And in 10 years, this decision could potentially transform your financial situation and personal freedom. Action tip: employ the 10-10-10 rule for significant life decisions to gain clarity about the long-term implications. Habit number 3. The 40-70 rule by Colin Powell. Former U.S. Secretary of State Colin Powell developed a rule that provides guidance on when to make decisions. According to Powell, if you make a decision with less than 40% of the necessary information, you're essentially gambling. If you wait until you have more than 70% of the information, you're moving too slowly. The sweet spot is found in making decisions with 40-70% of the required data. This approach prevents overthinking and analysis paralysis, where you delay choices while waiting for that perfect information. Action tip: while it's essential to gather enough data, it's crucial not to obsess over perfection. Aim to take action when you reach a level of certainty between 40-70%. So there you have it, 3 powerful habits to improve your decision-making skills. Understanding how your brain processes decisions, utilizing the 10-10-10 rule for long-term clarity, and applying the 40-70 rule to strike a balance between information and action. Remember, decision-making is a skill that can be developed and refined. By incorporating these strategies into your life, you can become a more effective decision-maker, leading to better outcomes and transformational opportunities. Now go out there and make those choices with clarity and confidence. Habit number 4. The Eisenhower Matrix for smarter prioritization. Do you often find yourself overwhelmed by the array of tasks on your to-do list? General Dwight Eisenhower had a solution to help you navigate through the chaos and focus on what truly matters. His decision-making tool, known as the Eisenhower Matrix, categorizes tasks into 4 distinct categories. Urgent, important, these are the tasks that require immediate attention and should be done without delay. Important but not urgent, these tasks are significant but can be scheduled for later, allowing you to prioritize them effectively. 3 urgent but not important, delegate these tasks to others, freeing up your time for more important responsibilities. Not urgent, not important, eliminate these tasks altogether to avoid unnecessary distractions. By utilizing the Eisenhower Matrix, you can avoid getting sidetracked by non-essential activities and focus on high-impact decisions, boosting your productivity and efficiency in the process. Action tip: integrate the Eisenhower Matrix into your daily routine to prioritize decisions effectively and enhance your overall productivity. Habit number 5. The rule of 3 for better clarity when it comes to making significant decisions. Less is often more. Billionaire Ray Dalio and productivity expert Tim Ferriss advocate for the rule of 3, where you limit your options to just 3 choices. This method helps to eliminate confusion and allows for greater clarity when making decisions. For example, if you're contemplating a career move, consider these 3 options. Stay in your current job. Switch industries. 3. Start your own business. By narrowing down your choices to just 3 clear options, you can gain a better understanding of what you truly want and take action with confidence and decisiveness. Action tip: when you find yourself at a crossroads, list 3 clear options to gain clarity and make a well-informed decision. Habit number 6. The power of a decision journal. You're looking for a simple yet effective tool to improve your decision-making skills? Consider starting a decision journal. This journal allows you to document the decisions you make, the reasoning behind those choices, and the anticipated outcomes. Over time, reviewing your past decisions can help you identify patterns, learn from your mistakes, and make more informed decisions in the future. For example, a CEO might track the reasons for hiring a specific employee and later evaluate if it was the right decision. Action tip: kickstart your decision journal today and use it to reflect on significant decisions, refining your thinking and decision-making process in the process. Habit number 7. The 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. Do you often find yourself hesitating before making important choices? The 5-second rule by Mel Robbins offers a simple yet powerful way to overcome procrastination and indecision. When faced with hesitation, count down from 5 to 1 and take action immediately before self-doubt creeps in. For instance, if you're debating whether to approach someone at a networking event, don't overthink it, count down and take action without hesitation. Action tip: incorporate the 5-second rule into your decision-making process to take quick and decisive action, overcoming fear-based hesitation in the process. Conclusion: making better decisions is not about striving for perfection. It is about understanding, about striving for perfection, how your brain functions, utilizing proven techniques, and having the confidence to take action. Throughout this video, we have discussed several key strategies that can greatly enhance your decision-making abilities. Firstly, it is crucial to strike a balance between intuition and logic. By combining these 2 elements, you can tap into your instincts while also making rational and informed choices. Secondly, the 10-10-10 rule can be a valuable tool. By considering the consequences of your decision in the short term, medium term, and long term, you can gain a clearer perspective on the potential outcomes. Next, making decisions with only 40-70% information can be advantageous. Waiting for complete certainty often leads to missed opportunities. So trust in your instincts and proceeding with a reasonable amount of information can yield positive results. The Eisenhower Matrix is another technique that can aid in decision-making. So, by categorizing tasks based on their urgency and importance, you can prioritize effectively and focus your energy on the most vital matters. When faced with a multitude of options, limiting them to 3 can bring clarity. This allows you to evaluate and compare choices more effectively without becoming overwhelmed. Keeping a decision journal is an effective way to track your decision-making process and learn from past experiences. By reviewing your decisions and their outcomes, you can identify patterns and make adjustments for future choices. Lastly, applying the 5-second rule can help overcome indecision and take action. Counting down from 5 and committing to a decision can prevent overthinking and hesitation. By implementing these techniques, starting today, you can witness a transformation in your decision-making skills. Whether it is in your personal life or professional endeavors, these strategies can empower you to make better choices and achieve greater success. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button. We encourage you to share this valuable information with someone you know who could benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content that will inspire and empower you on your journey to success.